Guys, so we're here with, go ahead and say your names.
Gary.
Tim.
And what's your name of your whiskey group?
DFW and More Moving Company.
They moving a lot of stuff. Now, what brings you guys into the Blendery?
Great whiskey.
How'd you guys find Tim?
I've been a member for probably a year plus.
Okay.
Yeah, a couple years.
Yeah.
Also, you know where the best whiskey in town's at.
Absolutely.
We do.
I see the Iron Root shirt, that's why I asked. We have to keep you zooted and cabooted in that Blendery, my friend. What's one of the things you guys love about whiskey, man?
The community.
Yeah, I keep hearing that word community, man. It's a big thing, and your guys' community focuses on what exactly? Because I know every group kind of has a thing.
They help people find bottles that they can't normally get.
Correct. Yes.
So there's a lot of allocated bottles that you either have to win a lottery to get, or you have to stand in line all night, camp out, and people got families and kids, and they can't do that. So in order for those people to get allocated bottles that they haven't had, like they have to get it from somewhere else. So they help connect people.
So you guys are a whiskey rescue community.
Sure.
Yeah. I mean, when we hear it all the time, it's like, I wish I could have this bottle. And it's like, I can help you get that. I mean, it's not going to be...
We've all said it too. Like, man, I really want that bottle, and I couldn't, and I tried it here, and I want a bottle of it, but I can't get it.
Exactly. I mean, as soon as you find out about a group like that, it's great, dangerous at the same time, but, join your own risk.
Oh man, that's interesting, man. So once again, I've learned something about whiskey that I had no clue. Community's one thing. I didn't know that people were waiting for bottles to fall off trucks. Or as you guys know how to get them off the truck, I presume.
Some people chase trucks.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Now, people are camping out 4 or 5 days at this point.
For whiskey?
For a whiskey bottle.
Yes, for whiskey.
I'm kind of...
Check a Specs parking lot in January.
Yeah.
What happens in January?
You want some content.
Drop a lot of,
Oh yeah, they'll be there 4 or 5 days camping with tents.
Own some whiskey?
They have to. They have to bring in
Thousands
porta
of
potties, police. I mean, it is
Porta potties.
gotten insane, and unfortunately, I think half those bottles end up on our group probably.
Yes. For sale for 2-3 times the retail value.
Yeah. Because it's never going to drop again.
It will,
It's just hard. It's just hard to get.
especially in the Dallas market. I mean, if we were in Oklahoma, maybe that'd be different.
What is the best bottle you guys have ever come across or found?
Michter's 25.
Michter's 25.
Michter's, yeah.
Michter's. Is that good stuff?
That's good stuff. That's a good one. That's a hard to get one. You're not finding that at the distillery.
No, you're not. And if you're gonna buy it on a group, it's gonna cost you about $8,000.
$8,000?
Yeah.
How big is the bottle? Is it at least
750
Just a regular
milliliter.
bottle.
Just standard bottle.
This size.
Yeah.
For $8,000?
You'll get there, man. Don't worry.
Yeah. You'll understand soon.
I'm confused, man. We're talking about drinking a liquid here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is crazy, man. Well, you learn something new every day, man. Well, I'm glad you guys came here, and you guys are about to bottle something for your group, right?
Yes.
How many things have you bottled since you've been here? Or since you've been a member?
He's pretty active. He does some
I probably
cool
have
stuff.
30 plus bottles.
That you personally bottle?
No, I mean, I picks because I love the stuff they're putting out. I think I've maybe done 6 or 7 of my own.
I've done I've been a part of 5 or 6 different blends.
Yeah.
Here at the Blendery.
I remember he did one. I don't know if they were all rye or not, but the one you did that, like, you found the right ratio and it turned to like maple syrup.
Yes.
That was like one of my favorite
Yeah, I
ones.
still got like 5 or 6 of those.
What was that called?
Friday the 18th. It was on my birthday last year. So.
And you found it. How long did it take you to find that blend, man? Are you in the Battle of the Blends?
Yes.
Okay, good. We'll see
He's got a stacked team. His teams should be illegal. But.
I agree. That's why I won't be part of another team, is because of his team.
Really?
Yeah.
So are you on his team?
No.
So you like, I'm not even starting. I'm not even getting involved.
I wasn't asked.
Oh, does that make you
Well,
feel
this is
bad?
awkward.
He doesn't trust my palate, evidently.
This is going downhill fast.
He doesn't trust my palate, evidently.
Well, I'm excited to see, man, guys. Again, Battle of the Blends is start next month, right?
Yeah, July 1st is when you can start booking. You got to register in June. So if you don't register in June, then you won't get a spot.
There you go.
And guess what? I just entered.
Oh!
Yeah.
Not for the actual deal. So I don't know if you remember Dale, but Dale.
Yeah.
talking mad trash last night, saying that I was scared to blend and that I was scared.
He didn't tempted him. Bible said, do not tempt, don't provoke.
So I made the donation to the charity, sent him a screenshot, and I said, you asked for this. So
when he gets smoked like a stogie,
I'll
keep the camera rolling.
So he's the best ear, nose, and throat doctor in DFW. And so I said, when I win, you have to wear pink scrubs to work for a week.
Dale doesn't strike me as a guy who's like embarrassed by anything.
I don't know, but I'm okay. I want a picture. I might send you guys out there to document this.
Dale, let's take a look. Oh, he's got it. We're good.
Yep.
That is crazy, man. So you're going to? So did you put a team together?
Oh, and I said he could pick my team because it didn't matter.
Look at this is a Jordan move right here. You remember Jordan? He chose all the guys. Give me the worst people. I'm gonna beat y'all to death.
and then I also said when I win, I get to borrow his Bentley for a night to take my wife out. So.
That sounds like a deal. That sounds like a good deal. Well, it's even more exciting because the boss himself is going to get involved.
Yeah, and I won't be in the actual competition. It's solely to whoop his ass.
But the judges, will they get to judge your whiskey still?
We haven't figured that out. So we'll pick some neutral judges, and they're just going to taste our two blind, and then they're going to pick a winner, and then that's going to decide between us because I know more than the normal people.
I think you still said. I mean, you kind of know more, but you still got to blend it, right?
Yeah, but I can't win. Like I can't. Like if I don't win, I lose. If I do win, I kind of lose too. So it's.
That's a double-edged sword, right?
Yeah. So
okay.
I don't need to be a part of it.
That makes sense. But listen, guys, come and get a barrel, bottle some barrels. Definitely take some bottles home. Buy a bottle, give a bottle to a friend, and people can't join your group, right?
Sure. It's open.
Yeah.
Just do a Facebook search for DFW and More Moving Company.
There we go, people. Stay tuned. As always, keep it whiskey.